March 14th, 2026, Pi Day, has become more than a quirky celebration for math lovers. This year, the world is watching the Pi Network, a digital currency project that's quietly grown into a global movement. From London to Lagos, Manila to Mumbai, the buzz is everywhere. What makes this Pi Day special? The network's training wheels come off, revealing a more powerful system. For early adopters, it feels like graduation, a culmination of years of community building. This grassroots approach has created a deeply invested community, ready to celebrate. The world is watching. This is the moment Pi steps onto the global stage. So what is Pi Network? At its core, it's a digital currency you help create just by tapping your smartphone. Founded by Stanford grads, Pi was designed to be mined easily on your phone, making crypto accessible to everyone. Over 55 million users worldwide have joined, drawn by the simplicity and inclusivity. Pi isn't just about earning digital coins, it's about building a new kind of digital economy, powered by people. The vision, a global marketplace where Pi is used for real goods and services, not just traded on exchanges. Years of patient development have built a strong, secure foundation and a massive, engaged user base. Now in 2026, that groundwork is about to pay off as Pi transitions from a test phase to real-world utility. Pi is a network built by the many, for the many, and that's why the world is watching this Pi Day. The main event this Pi Day is the V20 protocol upgrade, a massive leap for the Pi network. Imagine Pi as a city. Until now, it's had houses and basic roads. The V20 upgrade adds highways, power grids, and public spaces. This upgrade transforms Pi from a simple transfer network into a platform for innovation. Developers worldwide can now build apps, games, and businesses directly on Pi, expanding its ecosystem. Scalability and efficiency are at the core. Transactions stay fast and cheap, even as millions join in. For users, this means more ways to use Pi and a more dynamic network. The V20 upgrade is the engine powering Pi's next phase, turning it from a mining app into a true digital economy. You'll see new apps, more opportunities, and a network ready for mass adoption. This is the moment Pi truly comes alive. The future of digital currency is being built right now. A key part of the V20 upgrade is smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded onto the blockchain. Think of them as digital vending machines. You put in your input, and the contract automatically delivers the result. No middleman needed. Smart contracts make transactions secure, automatic, and trustworthy, even between strangers. Want to sell digital art? A smart contract ensures you get paid, and the buyer gets the art instantly and securely. These contracts remove the need for trust and make online commerce safer and more efficient. With V20, smart contracts become the building blocks for Pi's ecosystem, powering new apps and services. Developers can create decentralized versions of everyday apps, from marketplaces to financial tools. For users, it means access to transparent, secure, and user-friendly digital experiences. You don't need to understand the code, just enjoy a smarter, more automated world. The V20 upgrade also brings the Pi DEX, a decentralized exchange, into reality. Unlike traditional exchanges run by companies, the Pi DEX lets users trade digital assets directly, peer-to-peer, using smart contracts. Imagine a digital farmer's market. Users set up their own stalls, trading tokens and assets without a middleman. Want to swap Pi for a game token or membership? The DEX handles it instantly and securely, wallet to wallet. No need to trust a third party or give up control of your assets. The DEX provides liquidity and flexibility, encouraging developers to build more apps and tokens on Pi. For users, it's freedom, manage your digital assets, trade easily, and participate in a growing economy. The Pi DEX is more than a trading platform. It's the economic engine of the Pi ecosystem. Every pioneer now has the tools to shape this new digital marketplace. The V20 protocol, smart contracts, and Pi DEX aren't just updates, they're an evolution. Pi is emerging from its caterpillar phase, transforming into a vibrant digital ecosystem. By opening the platform to developers, Pi shifts from a centrally planned project to a self-organizing living network. Like the Internet's early days, Pi is now a platform anyone can build on. The first phase was about distribution, getting Pi into millions of hands. Now it's about utility. Real value comes from using Pi to buy, build, and create, not just trading it. This marks Pi's transition from speculative asset to functional currency. Being a pioneer now means active participation, using apps, providing feedback, maybe even building something new. The community's role is evolving from passive supporters to active citizens of Pi's digital city. The future of Pi is being shaped by everyone who believes in its vision. For millions of pioneers, Pi Day 2026 is when your patience pays off. Your Pi becomes truly useful. That number on your screen now unlocks a world of digital possibilities. Pay for games, buy digital art, or trade assets on the DEX. Pi's evolution offers a decentralized alternative to old, slow financial systems. You're not just a user, you're a stakeholder in a new kind of economy. The success of Pi's apps and services depends on your participation. The DEX gives you control over your assets. Be your own bank, trade freely, and engage in secure agreements. This is about empowerment, shifting power from corporations to individuals. Being part of Pi now means joining a global movement for a more accessible digital future. As the ecosystem grows, so do your opportunities for creativity, collaboration, and connection. In 2026, being a pioneer means helping build the next generation of the Internet. Pi Day 2026 isn't just a milestone for Pi, it's a new chapter for digital money itself. Cryptocurrency has long been seen as complex and exclusive. Pi is changing that, making digital money accessible and useful for everyone. Success isn't about price charts. It's about real-world use and a thriving ecosystem. Pi's circular economy lets users earn, spend, and re-spend within the network, creating real value. The V20 upgrade empowers the community to build, collaborate, and innovate together. This is a bottom-up revolution, proving that collective participation can build a global financial network. Now, digital money is for the teacher in the Philippines, the shop owner in Nigeria, and the developer in Brazil. Pi is writing a more inclusive story, where technology serves people everywhere. As Pi Day celebrations end, the real excitement begins. The launch of V20 smart contracts and the DEX is just the starting line. Get ready for a wave of innovation. New apps, services, and marketplaces will appear in the Pi browser. Your engagement will help shape which projects succeed. Local and global economies will emerge, powered by Pi and built by the community. Stay tuned to the Pi app and official channels for the latest opportunities. The community will grow, bringing fresh ideas and new energy. The future of Pi is in your hands. Your participation and creativity will steer its course. The journey ahead is full of discovery and possibility. The Pi revolution has just begun, and the best is yet to come. Keep exploring, keep building, and believe in the power of this incredible community.